Welcome to the world of creating possibilities, your online destination for understanding and listening to your intuition and attracting the life you desire by maintaining your frequency high in this current situation. Taking calculative, intuitive risk is important for growth and expansion. Only those who will risk going too far can possibly find out how far one can go. So today, let us talk about taking calculative, intuitive risk. For all those who are joining me for the first time, I am Laila Ahmed, an intuitive trainer, author and a therapist. Today's time, there is a lot of fear in the collective consciousness, but let us change that as much as we can. When we let fear keep us from taking calculative risk in our life, we limit ourselves, we limit our abilities and potentials. The path laid before us and the experiences and the outcome we have available to us. We cannot possibly imagine just how far we can go without first allowing ourselves to take chances and daring to live our life to the fullest. If today was my last day, my last chance to give a message to a loved one, I would like to talk to them about making their dreams come true. I will put my point across through the story of a person looking after his tree. Anything could happen to this tree. Tree might fall during a storm or die due to lack of water, or it might even die as a result of this person's mistake. So why would this person look after its tree if nothing is guaranteed that it will one day become the great tree? Just as this person was wondering about his tree, we wonder if it is worth the effort to believe and move towards uncertain dreams and risk. Sometimes we are afraid of failing, afraid of being criticized, of being rejected, and for these reasons we do not dare. We let years go by waiting for the right circumstances. We would rather make up excuses for ourselves than dare to believe in the dreams and risk to move forward. The excuses of not having the right body, the right childhood, the right parent, the right intelligence, the excuses that it is too hard, that some have already tried and failed. But you know, taking risk to fail is taking chance to learn, taking chance to be proud of oneself, taking chances to be happy and maybe even succeed now. Many participants after my intuitive training have completed their graduation at the age of 50 or 50 plus. Today they are proud of their accomplishment, but what if they felt, what is the use now? I don't want to take up any job, then why study? This person would have lost the happiness and confidence they derive with continued education. Now back to the tree story. It is true, this person is not guaranteed to succeed. However, if he crushes the tree himself, the story ends here. It is guaranteed that he won't make it. If we crush our dreams ourselves, then there is no chances left in fulfilling them. I cannot ensure you that you will succeed by believing and daring, but I can guarantee you will fail if you stop believing and taking actions towards your dream. I know there is this little voice inside the head whispering, you can do it. And historically, many men and women have listened to their inner voice, their intuitions. Failures are the stepping stone of success. We all must have grown up hearing this kind of common quotes. But it cannot be more accurate for the Bollywood legendary actor named Amitabh Bachchan, whom we all know, known for his persona as an angry young man. This actor has embraced more failures than any actors have faced before one big hit. His success is well known, but not many of us have heard of his failures. Amitabh Bachchan had 12 flop films before he became a star. Another inspiring personality, Walt Disney. Did you know Walt Disney was rejected 300 times for Mickey Mouse and the theme park? And there are many more such celebrities. I do not mean to say that because they believed in it, they did it and became successful. But if they had crushed their dreams, they would definitely not have been successful. What is worth becoming the person you are today? The ability to become the person you desire to be tomorrow. What is that worth? A study disrupted me. It was conducted in an Australian hospital and involved patients in palliative care. So many of them had regrets not for the things they did, but for those they did not do, and the risk they did not take, the dream they did not take chances on. On the last day of your life, who do you want to be? The person who cut their trees by fear of failure, or the one who may not have succeeded but can look in a mirror or their children straight in the eyes and say with tears of gratitude, I am proud of myself. When you say yes to your dreams, you inspire the ones you love to give a chance. I know that in your past, there was at least one person who managed to inspire you and make you eager to move on. Today we have the opportunity to become that person ourselves for someone else. So yes, we might have smashed some of our trees, but all the others are still waiting for us. Since we cannot tell if our dreams are possible or not, why not act as if everything is possible? Let us create possibilities. All of us are expert now after the pandemic and this lockdown. No one thought before this that they can work from home was even possible. No one thought that they would expand their business online. No one thought that the international market was waiting for their services. So let us create possibilities for replacing fear and focus on expanding your life and fulfilling your dreams. Thankfully, life is not about safety and comfort. And I say that because if it were, we would have a quite boring lives to live. There would be no growth and discovery, no reaching out and exploring new things and new possibilities. There would be no excitement and newness in our lives. Things would be quite dull. Of course, reaching out and facing the unknown takes a great leap of faith. Faith that life and God will not let you stumble and fall and will always help you back up when you do. Faith in yourself and in your ability to deal with adversity and remain resilient. Faith that you can believe in yourself and remain focused on the important things in your life. This means that you must face your fears, fear of failure, fear of suffering, fear of poverty, fear of shame, fear of losing things that are important to you. But your fear are simply thoughts, no more, no less. They may never come true, as why would we ever want to let that control our decision anyway? Nobody wants a difficult life, but at least give yourself a fighting chance at living your life to the fullest. Life is not always easy. You will have obstacles and speed bumps all along the way. Yet in the end, when you look back over your journey, you will have no regrets. You will be pleased that you took meaningful chances, and perhaps that will make all the difference. Today, make your day extraordinary by going further than you had previously planned. Question yourself, how often do you step outside of your comfort zone? What are some things you would really like to do in your life that may seem out of ordinary? What is holding you back from trying? In one of my intuitive training, the same question was asked, and a 45-year-old homemaker who never imagined that she would ever run a own business dared to take a leap of faith, and after she started running a successful business all by herself. You may blame your luck or your environment if not able to fulfill your heart desire. However, your success is truly dependent upon your thoughts and your emotions. If you have positive thoughts and emotions, you feel more active to act upon your dream. If you have negative thoughts and emotions, you feel stressed out and disheartened. Psychic intuitive training or other courses will help you recognize your life plan and your life purpose. When you feel, think and act as per your life plan, you tend to get the divine support and minimum or no resistance. This can raise your frequency and add to your productivity and constructive outcome. To get your precise answer, join intuitive training. Link shall be shared in the description below. With this, let me end today's video with a thought to ponder upon. It is not because things are difficult that we do not dare. It is because we do not dare, they become difficult. So get ready to act upon your dreams and attract and manifest your dream life. And if you found today's video valuable, do share with your family and friends and let us together make a difference. And be sure to give it a thumbs up because it really makes a lot of difference and supports our channel as well. Also, if you ever want to connect directly with me for coaching or therapy, you just need to pick up your phone and the details should be shared in the description below. Do raise your frequency high and keep it high until we meet next. Light and fragrance to all of you.